see? So I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. Let's open it fast. Wow, look at the packaging. It's so cool. Okay, so there's a sticker here, so I just have to take that out. Okay, I'm so ready. Wow, look! It's a welcome card from me and Bizu. See? So there's lots of things inside the welcome kit. So let's open it and see. Wow! Look, there's a letter from me and Bizu here. So, welcome to Nutty Explorer. We're super excited to have you on board for fun and nutty journey around the world. Wow, inside this is our travel box. Wow, so our first country is going to be Egypt. Wow, so exciting. So let's explore Egypt. Wow, so you can see all these fun activities here. So cool, you can learn the language. Wow. And then there's also a word search, a crossword puzzle. Wow, that's so much fun. Can't wait. So let's see what all are there inside this. Wow, so first there's a boarding pass for all of you. Wow, that's so awesome. Then this is an assignment. Okay, so every time you finish, after you finish all these assignments, you can take, there's a country flag over here. You can take this, Egypt's flag, and you can stick it over here once you're done with all these activities. It's so much fun. So do that, okay? And then there's a bookmark. Wow, so cool. That looks so awesome. And then this is a postcard. Isn't that so cool? Look, there's a postcard. You can write anything you want over here about Egypt, about your fun activities. Let's see what else is there. This is a free online class. So once you're done with everything, so you can get a free online class here. It's so awesome. This is a Nutty Explorer name tag. So you can stick it on your bag. It's so cool. You can put a ribbon or a string around it. You can stick it on your bag. And this, you can go through all our social media pages for more information and like and share. So that's awesome. Then this is so much fun. This is a game, a family game. You can play it with your friends, your parents, your siblings, your cousins, your grandparents, anybody you want to play it with. So much fun. So this game, you have to find the treasure right on top. So this is the board. Okay, and then you open it. And it's like this. Wow, so awesome. So here's the board. Then there's the dice and your tags. So you can choose your color and you can keep rolling up until you reach the top. There's so many challenges on the way. So be careful of that. It's going to be so much fun when you play it with your friends or family. I hope you all enjoy. This is going to be so awesome. I can't wait to play it. Wow. So let's see. Wow, so this is the baking kit. So today you're gonna learn how to make Mummy's sweet cookies. It's gonna be so much fun. And here's a free gems packet, but make sure you don't eat it now. It's to put inside the Mummy's eyes, okay? So don't eat it, okay? You get a free piping bag, you get a free cap, a baking cap, okay? So make sure you ask your parents to get all the ingredients for you and make this very, very soon and enjoy eating it, okay? Wow, that's so much fun to make and eat. And here is the excavation kit. Wow, this is so cool. So what you have to do, you have to soak this hill inside water, and once it's soaked, you can take this and start digging and find all the gemstones, and then you can see which gemstone you got and the meanings behind it, and then you can just brush off all the extra dust and wash your stone and make it all nice and clean. It's going to be so much fun. I promise you, this is going to be such an amazing activity to do, and you're just going to have the best time ever. So I can't wait for you all to try that. And here is our paper making kit. So we're going to make new paper, and then you can do doodles, you can draw, you can make a notebook, you can make a card for your parents or your friends. It's going to be so awesome when you tell that you know how to make a paper. How awesome is that? So this is how it's going to look. You have all the materials inside it. So make sure this is a scan code, okay? So you take your camera and scan it. I'll show you how to do that. So you ask your parents for help for this in case you're having any difficulty. So just take this out. All our activities have this scan code, alright? So you go to your camera on your phone, alright? You take your camera and just place it on top and scan it. And then you'll get a YouTube link. So open the link and see the tutorial. Okay, so all the activities are going to be the same. Alright, so just take your paper. Every activity has the same. So all the activities have this QR code. Alright, so take it, scan it, and watch the YouTube tutorial and have fun, enjoy, and make all the activities. Okay, do everything. So it's going to be the same for all. So just ask your parents to do. And here we're gonna make a pyramid gift box. So you have all the materials inside, and again you have the QR code. You can scan it and do that again. And you see you have all the materials inside. It's going to be so much fun, and you can put all your gifts inside for whatever you want to gift anyone, and then it looks so cool. It's a golden pyramid. How awesome is that? So you can make that, and then you have a magnet art kit. Awesome. So you know how when you travel to all different countries, you like to buy a magnet of that country and put it on your fridge? Just like that, it's gonna be for this. So since you made your Egypt kit ready, you have gone to Egypt. So you have your Egypt magnet here waiting for you to be made. Alright, so do that. You have all the materials over here, and again you have this QR code. You have the video to watch and do it, and you have all the instructions. So this is going to be our Egypt kit. This is going to be so much fun. I can't wait for you all to try it and have a lot of fun with me and Bizu. And so this is your Egypt kit. And now you get a complimentary global kit. Okay? So let's see what's there inside this. Wow. So here is how it looks. See the global kit. Okay, so there's a sticker over here underneath. I'm just going to take that out. See, so simple. I took it out and I opened it. Wow, look at the first thing I see. I see a passport. So awesome. Let's open it and see. Wow, the packaging is just awesome. So this, I think, wow, it's the world map. Look over here. So where is Egypt? It's right over here. So awesome. So here is your global map. Awesome. Let's keep that aside for now. Fold it very careful while holding this.
Start.
So kids, do you know what this is? It's a pin, okay? So what you can do with your amazing global map is that you can keep it in your room wall or anywhere in your room. And since we're going to go all over the world and explore the world, what we're going to do is we're going to take this sticker and we're going to stick it on every country you visited, okay? So this is going to be Egypt. So once you're finished with your Egypt box, you're going to take the sticker and you're going to stick it over here. So which means that you visited that country. So awesome, okay? So this is going to be so much fun and so cool to do. So this is your sticker. Don't forget to stick it once you're done with the box, okay? And this is your passport, okay? So this is your Nutty Explorer passport, alright? So every time you finish a country, you're gonna get a visa visa. So here's going to be your visa stamp. So this is the stamp, and every time you finish your country, just flip the page over. Here it says country stamp. You see that? It says country stamp, and just stick your. You can take out the paper and you can stick it right on your country stamp. Okay? So you see that? So much fun. So I hope you have all the stamps all over the world. It's going to be so cool. So you can keep this passport. Look, you have your own passport. So you can do that as well. So much fun. Okay, let's see. And this is your consult bag. Wow, you get an amazing bag. So, do you remember we got the name tag? You can stick it on over here. You can just attach a string. Wow, you get a free bag. That's so awesome. So you can just open your bag. And you see you have all these compartments. You have a sling string. So you can just put it across. Let me wear it and show you. You see that? Awesome. So you can do that. You have your consult bag, and here is your global kit, and this is everything you get inside your global kit. You get your passport, your visa stamp, your sticker, your map, and your bag. Okay, so I hope you enjoy Nutty Explorer, and I hope you enjoy receiving all your amazing gifts, and make sure you complete all the activities, and then you might get a free gift next time. So I hope you had fun, kids. I'll see you